In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on PayPal without linking a bank account. If you're looking to manage transactions using PayPal but want to avoid connecting your bank account, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the details and explore how you can successfully set this up. To start off, you're going to need a verified PayPal account. If you haven't set one up yet, simply head over to the PayPal website and go through the sign-up process. Once you've filled in the required details, make sure to confirm your email and phone number. Verifying your account is crucial, as it increases your transaction limits and ensures smooth operations within the PayPal ecosystem. After setting up your account, it's important to know your PayPal email address. This is a key component, as people will use this email to send you money. Make sure it's easy to remember and secure. Only share it with people you trust. Now, let's talk about receiving funds. Once someone sends money to your PayPal email, you'll receive an email notification. This usually happens instantly or within a few minutes, but sometimes it may take a bit longer. Just keep an eye on your inbox or log directly into your PayPal account to see if the payment has arrived. Once the money is in your PayPal account, you might be wondering what you can do with it without linking a bank account. You have a couple of options. Firstly, you can spend the money directly from your PayPal balance. Whether you're shopping online on websites that accept PayPal or paying for services, you can manage these transactions effortlessly. You can also transfer your PayPal balance to a PayPal Cash Card, if available in your region. A PayPal Cash Card allows you to use funds at stores or withdraw cash from ATMs without needing a bank account. If you're looking to send money out as well, you can do so easily using your PayPal balance. Just click on the Send Request tab, enter the recipient's email, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you have sufficient funds and double-check the email before you confirm. It's essential to manage your PayPal account securely. Use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep an eye on your transaction history for any unauthorized activity. By doing so, you ensure a secure and efficient experience while managing finances without a bank account. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you can receive money on PayPal and effectively manage your funds all without connecting to a traditional bank account. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.